Welcome back to Doc's Hot Shop and Forge. So today I thought I would continue with my personal hammer, which will be a 1 kilo, so 2 and a bit pounds Viking style forging hammer. Got the faceplate ready to weld. We have the wedge for the peen ready to go. Just need to punch the eye, draw out the peen after we weld on the faceplate permanently. What else is new? I'm also trying a shorter format. So, without much further ado, let's get things hot and get today underway. Let's have a look, see if this is hot enough. I'm not sure I got a weld on that. Reflux that. That is a solid weld. Need a bigger anvil. Some of that fish mouthing. And see about getting that weld refined a little bit. Looks very solid to me. let's get this hot enough to punch. So at the end of this video, we've got the faceplate welded on and the eye punched, and we're ready to weld in the insert for the peen. After that, we'll be working on just general refinement and tidy up. So if you've enjoyed the video, hit the thumbs up. Feel free to share on social media, and as always, hit the subscribe button. It's worth it. We do run giveaways from time to time. With Christmas coming up, there'll be another one shortly. I haven't decided what the giveaway is, so keep an eye out for that. And as always, get out to your shop, have fun, but do stay safe. And I'll catch you for the next one.